a vision to break free from limitations and unleash infinite possibilities. With the help of ABOSN chem technologies, we drive industrial innovation. Today, we have transformed the possibilities into reality. Flagship brand in China's engineering plastics manufacturing sector, Shandong ABOSN Group, integrating product research and development, manufacturing, global sales, design and construction, empower the characteristics of Shandong ABOSN with modernization, technology control, and intelligence. With the development concept of advancing and pioneering to win, Shandong ABOSN Group has multiple modern manufacturing bases with a total construction area of 200,000 square meters. To do a good job, one must first sharpen one's tools. ABOSN has over 100 customized and CNC equipment, including multiple independently designed and patented large-scale molding machinery, professional extrusion equipment, and dozens of fully automatic gantry milling and cutting equipment. It can meet the customized demands of polyethylene products in global various fields. The ultra-high molecular weight polyurethane product series can have a variety of specifications of whole boards that comply with international standards. Wear-resistant UHMWPE lining plate has unique physical, high wear and chemical resistance properties. Ultra-high molecular weight polyurethane UHMWPE is a type of wear-resistant component used in mechanical equipment, temporary road mats, ground protection mats series, such as light-duty road mats, heavy-duty road mats, and follow interlocking anthem mats for quickly building temporary roads. Construction machinery, Korean outrigger pads, strong load-bearing capacity, good anti-slip performance, radiation shielding materials for neutron rays. ABOSN is a senior manufacturer of radiation shielding materials, including boron-containing polyurethane, lead-boron polyurethane, lead polyurethane, and other materials. Sports product series, we can produce ice hockey dashboards, roller skating rinks, and floorball rink, such as shooting pads, ice hockey pucks, soccer rebound boards. UHMWPE fender pad series, featuring excellent characteristics such as UV resistance, impact resistance, and lightweight. It provides comprehensive high-density polyurethane HDPE sheet series. The product includes single-color HDPE sheet, dual-color HDPE sheet, texture pale surface HDPE sheet, matte HDPE sheet, slipper, anchoring plate, etc. UHMWPE, HDPE rod, pipe, and extruded profile series can be customized according to requirements. Other engineered plastic products. We also produce PP sheet, PVC sheets, and PTFE sheets, and to meet diverse customization needs, ABOSN, with its technological advancements, has applied for and obtained dozens of invention patents. It has also gained attention, recognition, and praise from various sectors of society. Many years ago, ABOSN brands have already spread to every corner of the world. In order to further enhance global brand influence, it has become the strategic path for ABOSN to transform once again. This is the e-commerce marketing team that is dedicated, hardworking, and always striving for progress. We are committed to helping ABOSN brands reach a wider global audience. They are a technology research and development team that breaks through thinking and dares to innovate. They're always focused on overcoming challenges and creating innovations.
“14.5” 规划国家重大科技基础设施项目锦屏大设施。
The world's first targeting interdisciplinary fields such as dark matter, 2,400 meters underground, China's Jinping Underground Laboratory. In this project, shielding walls and shielding chambers are being constructed, and the required neutron shielding materials are exclusively produced by Shandong ABOSN Group. ABOSN Road, gathering strength. ABOSN people, spreading wings and soaring. Committed to building a global engineering plastics influential brand. New ideas, prosperous future. Shandong ABOSN Group.